It has been months since most of us have had a real haircut, so some salons have come up with a plan for healthcare workers. CBS 2's Kiran Dhillon has their story.
It's an experience that's second nature to most, but has now become unfamiliar, getting a haircut. And with so much going on during COVID-19 and with hair salons being closed, it's become a last priority for registered nurse Kathleen Coyne, but still one she misses dearly.
It definitely feels nice to sit in the chair, have somebody talking to me, making me feel pretty.
The 31-year-old hasn't had her hair cut since February, but on Monday she was one of many healthcare workers who received complimentary haircuts at a salon in Brooklyn. The haircuts are a part of a kickoff event for an initiative called Hairdressers for Heroes, organized by a group of 10 New York salon owners, including Nick Arojo.
We have to wear masks, visors. We have to be tested. We have to make sure that we create what I consider a touchless experience. So we're practicing these new protocols and we're seeing how comfortable it is, because when we get back to work, we need to be able to share that with our employees.
The city says it understands the difficulties small businesses are facing during this pandemic, but says hair salons are still deemed non-essential. But Arojo says the group is proving they can and should be allowed to reopen.
This is our protest at the same time while creating something really good for the community. We're pushing back and saying that we can open safely, and we're putting nobody at harm here.
They're following the proper guidelines to going back to normal, and even if they're not supposed to be doing it, there's a lot worse things happening in New York City right now.
Hairdressers for Heroes plans to expand and offer free haircuts to healthcare workers around the country once salons everywhere are allowed to reopen. In Williamsburg, Brooklyn, Kiran Dhillon, CBS 2 News.